Hello and welcome to Today with Excel with Mark, and what we're going to be looking at is how we can count the amount of blank cells that we have within a particular data set. So we can see from here we've got all this data from A to H and down to row 34. But within this we can see that we have quite a few blank cells, but if we want to know how many we have within that data set, then we can use a particular function, and that's going to tell us how many. So if you select a cell to one side, away from the data that you have, and you press the equal sign, we can then do the count, and when you press in the count you can see that you have a lot of different options that come down. All we need to do is just go down till we have the count blank one and press tab. This will put in that little bit of a word there with the open brackets, and you can see there that the argument it's asking for is the range. So if we click into cell A1, click and drag that all the way down to the full set of the range and press enter, and that will count the full set there for us, telling us that we have 17 blank cells within this. So if we want to highlight all these different cells now, what we can do is once again highlight all of the data set and press Ctrl and G. What this is going to do now is bring up this little go to box. We can click on the special and click on blanks and press OK, and that will highlight all the blanks for us there. And what we can do is if we just change the colour of them, and we can see they're all nice and highlighted for us there, telling us that we've got 17 cells in total that we need to have a look at, and we can potentially fill them out if we have all the data missing from that data set. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll hope to see you again soon.